My morning routine. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up early. Turn off the alarm. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. Stretch your arms and legs. Stretch your arms and legs. I stretch my arms and legs daily. Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. I put on the shoes. Make the bed. Make the bed. I make the bed. Change the sheets. Change the sheets. I change the sheets every day. Brush the teeth. Brush the teeth. I brush the teeth twice a day. Shave my beard. Shave my beard. I shave my beard daily. Wash my face. Wash my face. I wash my face daily. Dry my face. Dry my face. I dry my face after wash. Put on cream. Put on cream. I put on cream on my face and hands. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. I go for a walk and stay healthy. Do exercise. Do exercise. I do exercise daily. Take a shower. Take a shower. I take a shower after exercise. Get dressed. Get dressed. I get dressed for school. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. I put on makeup and ready for work. Dry my hair. Dry my hair. I dry my hair after wash. Comb hair. Comb hair. I comb my hair after dry. Clip nails. Clip nails. I clip nails every Friday. Make breakfast. Make breakfast. I make the breakfast every morning. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. I eat breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. I go to school. Drive. Drive. I drive to work. Study. Study. I study with my friends. Work. Work. I work in my office. Have a lunch. Have a lunch. I eat lunch. Sip the coffee. Sip the coffee. I drink the coffee. Come to home. Come to home. I come to home and pay my greet to my mom. Wash my hand. Wash my hand. I wash my hand when I come to home. Snack time. Snack time. Take a nap. Take a nap. I take a nap when I feel tired. Do my homework. Do my homework. I do my homework. Do my office work. Do my office work. I do my office work. Have a high tea. Have a high tea. I enjoy my high tea with my mom. Phone your friend. Phone your friend. I talk on phone with my friend. Play games. Play games. Usually I play games in my free time. Surf the internet. Surf the internet. I love to spend my free time surfing the internet. Ride a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. Go shopping. Go shopping. I go to the supermarket for shopping. Read a book. Read a book. I read a book in my free time. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Dry the dishes. Dry the dishes. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Clean the window. Clean the window. Do the dusting. Do the dusting. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Feed the cat. Feed the cat. Wash the car. Wash the car. Tidy up the room. Tidy up the room. I clean my room every day. Do the gardening. Do the gardening. I do the gardening with my brother. Water the plant. Water the plant. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Hang out the clothes. Hang out the clothes. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Cook the meal. Cook the meal. Prepare lunch boxes. Prepare lunch boxes. Set the table. Set the table. I set the table before dinner. Clear the table. Clear the table. Wipe off the table. Wipe off the table. Pick up the toys. Pick up the toys. Cut the grass. Cut the grass. Move the furniture. Move the furniture. Turn off lights. Turn off lights. Go to bed. Go to bed. Fall asleep. Fall asleep. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.